Getting the call failed error on WhatsApp during calls on your iPhone. It might be network issues, app glitches, or incorrect settings. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the call failed problem on WhatsApp using your iPhone. So let's get started. Before we start, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check whether you are blocked or not. First, open up the WhatsApp app. Tap chats from the below. Now here, find the contact that you want to check. If you notice a contact's profile picture is not showing or grayed out, or hasn't changed the profile picture for a long time, or after sending a message, you're seeing one gray check mark next to your message, this means the message was sent but not delivered. Then it could be a sign that you're blocked. If you are not blocked, then follow my next solutions. Solution 2. Offload WhatsApp app. Go to the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap on Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Go to the settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down, tap on background app refresh. Again, tap on background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now, tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your call failed error on WhatsApp during calls on your iPhone is solved now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See ya.